Okay.
Hey guys, Peter and Kristin here.
Hey, today I am going to be making a bright colored swirl on a black background and do some blowing on that. And it's probably going to be during the time that I'm recovering from surgery, so we're doing this a little ahead of time.
Fun with colors with Kristin.
Okay, so I've done the black background. Now we get to have some fun with colors. Yes, Bill?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, me. Think I want to do more
Mm-hmm.
Getting quite an interesting effect over there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm going to blow it out a bit.
Like the colors.
It's a little bit liquidy on there.
Just keep going on the outside all the way around. Keep going. Go all the way into the center.
Yeah, getting there. In the middle there is all just hiding.
You want more color there?
Yeah.
So do another round of your colors in the middle, and it's okay if it pushes up.
Leave it.
I like it.